Yo, yo, yo! Baki Jana and Aqua here again. That's right. Today we are gonna play some more Scary Teacher 3D.
Welcome to Joe and Friends Corporation Gaming. If you are new here, welcome to our channel. Today we are gonna play Scary Teacher again, but I got a new poison. It's a laughing poison. That will make Misty have a silly face and a good mood. Ha 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 ha. Misty is
We are gonna play Flight Club.
So Misty wanted to play an April Fool's prank on the kids, huh? Let's make sure it backfires and teaches her a lesson she'll never forget.
Let's go!
I can't wait to set up a prank on the kids. And I will put a blueberry cake and a strawberry cake to prank them. Ha 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 ha.
Coming. And now let's find the stinky bomb. We are going to the basement. Get my front way out treasure box.
Oh, time for a nice steam.
So let's go. Guys, hear this, I can hear a bomb. Time bomb. I'm scared that it's gonna explode. This is the oldest level that Misty smelled like a skunk. And the bath time one, she got into a jelly. Let's wait for Misty going down.
Ready to be clean.
Jonna, no. The bomb that Miss T set up, we need to cut the red wire. What's this on the office?
And paper airplane. But this doesn't look like an airplane when picked it up. Now she is in the sauna. Let me get hot sauce ketchup and a vinegar to throw on the sauna. Lock this up.
Nah, we don't need it. Let's go to the shed.
Let's speed up the video.
Miss T, you just missed it. Vinegar, okay. Hey, that worked. Hot sauce, bam. Now let's throw the laughing poison. Ew, it's a wire cutters. Time to cut the red wire.
Disarm the bomb on the safe.
Red wire.
Gah, it's gonna explode. Ew. Haha, that silly face. Look at this silly face. Time to throw stinky bomb. Ew. Phew, it didn't explode. Take some blueberries away. And let's go to the kitchen and let's speed up the video.
Why hold a singing competition? No one can sing better than I do.
We are trying to put the strawberry cake on the fridge. But Miss T found us.
Let's see the scene.
Baki, you're right. Let's see the scene.
So, do you liked it a great? Because this is the last cake you even eaten. Ha 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 ha. Wait, what's that coming on my belly? Ah. Airplane, get me out of this thing.
Well, is it me? Do I smell? Oh, stink bomb. Let me out! Let me out! Please! Just open the
Ha 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 ha. That was so funny. See you next time.
Bye bye.